Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to delete browsing data Opera browser on Windows 10 computer. So how to delete browsing data Opera browser on Windows 10 computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Opera browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Opera browser display. Then move the cursor to the top right of the screen. Here are lots of menu options. Then tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this, and scroll down. And tap the settings menu here. Now here you are in the settings menu. Enter the privacy security menu. Now here you are in the privacy security menu. Then tap change on the search engine menu. And it will appear like this. Next, tap delete data. This feature is used to delete browsing data in Opera browser on Windows 10, such as history, cache, and cookies, to maintain privacy and free up storage space. So that's it, the tutorial how to delete browsing data Opera browser on Windows 10 computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.